Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video.
Girl, I got a question for ya. Can I get an answer? Yeah, 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 yeah. Girl, I got a question for ya. Can I get an answer? Yeah, 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 yeah.
Today I am starting a 6-day process with you guys. This is not sponsored. They did send this product to me for free, but I've seen a lot of my friends use this. My brother and his girlfriend use this. I had to try it. Drum roll, please. You guys have probably seen this on Instagram. It is the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. I literally just got this in the mail. I'm just really curious to see what my results are gonna be. So I'm just gonna grab the instructions. Step 1, gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. All right, that's easy. I have an electric toothbrush, so I'm just going to quickly brush my teeth. I wish it could be like in the movie. I wish it could be like in the movies where they brush their teeth and magically there's no toothpaste all over their face. All right, step number 2. Take the battery out of the LED light, remove plastic, and reinsert battery to turn on. All right, now I actually got to go grab our props. So I've actually already gone and put the mouthpiece on. I just have to, there we go. Pull out the battery. It's really in there, fuck. Pull out the little plastic thing, put it right there. Put the battery back in. It should make that beeping sound like it just did. And then just go ahead and put the backing back on properly. Step 3, attach the mouth tray. Step 4, apply a quarter of a syringe of the whitening gel to the top and also apply a quarter of the syringe to the bottom of the mouth tray. And it says to apply to the face of the mouth tray, so apply it to like the top edge because you're gonna put it all the way in your mouth, not in a dirty way. So this is a 6-day treatment. There's 3 syringes like this. I'll show you. Comes in a little tray like this. And you just use a syringe for 2 days, basically. So if you suck at measuring, you're gonna have to get good at it now because you got 1 try to get it right. This is kind of nerve-wracking to do this on camera. What if I fuck it up? It actually, oh, it has measurements on the side. Do you see that? Oh, see? 1/4, 2/4. So it has measurements on it, which is great. You just gotta somehow. I think I did it right. Yes, okay, I did. I did do it correctly. Okay, I'm quickly gonna do the other side. Just did both sides. And then I'm going to put the syringe back. Put the cap on in a sec. I just want to put this in my mouth. So you basically put this in your mouth and click the little button here and you leave it for 10 minutes and the light will automatically turn off after 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay, so basically all it tells you to do afterwards is to just rinse your mouth because obviously the solution is still over your teeth. It tastes kind of funny, but like, it's fine now. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm going to actually, for the mouthpiece, I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna put it in a little cup with water and one of those dissolvable cleaning tablets. I don't have the picture of the box, but I use them for my retainer. So that's what I'm gonna do with this little mouthpiece. And then I'm gonna do it all over again tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Day 2. I just took my before picture because I forgot to do that last night. It's gonna be a day 2 to day 6 before and after picture. But I'll show you guys that at the end of the video. So I have my leftover syringe from yesterday. And then this morning when I woke up, I took this out of the little cup with water that I put it in last night. So I just left this in there overnight. So I'm just gonna do the same thing I did yesterday. Put this little thing on. There's no like top or bottom. They're both the same size. So guys, I just finished the last day of the teeth whitening treatment, and now I'm going to show you guys the before and after. I'm actually really impressed. To be honest, on the third day I wasn't sure if it was working. I didn't really see a difference, but I obviously kept going. I wanted to see what the full 6 days were going to be like, and clearly it made a pretty big difference. Besides the obvious fact that my stains are gone and my teeth are a lot whiter than when I first started, the biggest thing that I like about this treatment is that there was no sensitivity on my teeth whatsoever. I'm definitely the person that gets sensitive teeth when using whitening strips or any type of like whitening treatment. So I was really happy and pleasantly surprised that my teeth did not hurt once during any of these treatments. So that's pretty much all I have to say. It's very straightforward, it's very easy to use, it's not messy, it's not painful, it's not uncomfortable either. I was able to do my makeup with thing in my mouth. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions that I didn't answer, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely get back to you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.